Stop guessing important questions for your class 10 math. Save this video and solve the 100 most common exam questions with me. Question number 86. PQ is parallel to BC if AP equal to 2.4 cm, AQ is equal to 2 cm, QC is equal to 3 cm, and BC is equal to 6 cm. Then find AB and PQ. Okay? Now look at the diagram. All the values are marked. Okay, so what is given to you in the question that PQ is parallel to BC, so we can apply the basic proportionality theorem and we can write AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Put the values. AP is 2.4, AQ is 2 and QC is 3. So the only unknown is PB. So PB is equal to 2.4 into 3 upon 2, that will give you 3.6 cm. Okay? So PB की value आ गई 3.6 cm. AB is AP plus PB, which is 2.4 plus 3.6. That will give you AB equal to 6 cm. Now look at the triangle APQ and the bigger triangle ABC. In दोनों triangle में angle A is common and PQ is parallel to BC. That's why angle APQ and angle ABC are equal because they are the corresponding angles. ठीक है? So if two corresponding angles are equal, using the AA similarity criteria, we can say triangle APQ and triangle ABC are similar to each other. तो अगर similar है, we can take the ratio of corresponding sides. AP upon AB is equal to PQ upon BC. Put the values. AP 2.4, AB 6, BC 6. So if you cross multiply, you will get PQ is equal to 2.4 cm. That's it.